Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube video on pickling and unpickling in Python. In this video, we'll dive deep into what pickling and unpickling are, how they work, and why they're useful in Python programming. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. Pickling and unpickling are processes used in Python for object serialization and deserialization, respectively. Serialization is the process of converting a Python object into a byte stream, while deserialization is the process of reconstructing a Python object from a byte stream. These processes are particularly useful for tasks such as data storage, data transmission over networks, and inter-process communication. So, let's delve deeper into each process. Pickling. When you pickle an object in Python, you convert it into a byte stream that can be easily stored or transmitted. This byte stream represents the object state, including its data and structure. Pickling is commonly used to save the state of objects to disk or to transmit objects between different processes or machines. Python provides a built-in module called pickle for pickling objects. This module allows you to serialize and deserialize Python objects with ease. Usage. To pickle an object, you first import the pickle module and then use its dump or dumps function to serialize the object into a byte stream. You can then store this byte stream in a file or send it over a network. Here is the example of pickling in Python. In this example, we have a Python dictionary data containing information about a person's name and age. We want to pickle this dictionary and store it in a file named data.pickle. Unpickling. Unpickling is the process of reconstructing a Python object from a byte stream. It involves reading the byte stream, usually from a file or network, and converting it back into a Python object, restoring its original state. The pickle module also provides functions for unpickling objects. You can use load or loads functions to deserialize a byte stream back into a Python object. Usage. To unpickle an object, you first import the pickle module and then use its load or loads function to deserialize the byte stream back into a Python object. Here is the example of unpickling in Python. In this example, we first import Python's pickle module for unpickling objects. Then, we open the data.pickle file in binary read mode, RB, using the open function within a with statement. This will ensure that the file is properly closed after reading. We use the pickle.load function to unpickle, or deserialize, the data from the file. The unpickled data is stored in the variable data, which now contains the original Python dictionary that we pickled earlier. Finally, we print the unpickled data, which should be the same dictionary that we initially pickled. Best practices and important considerations. While pickling is a powerful tool, there are some considerations to keep in mind. 1. Security. While pickling and unpickling are convenient, it's important to be cautious when unpickling data from untrusted sources, as unpickling can execute arbitrary code and potentially lead to security vulnerabilities. 2. Compatibility. Pickled objects are specific to Python and may not be compatible with other programming languages. Additionally, changes to the object's class definition may affect its pickled representation. 3. Performance. Pickling large objects or complex data structures may impact performance. Conclusion. In conclusion, pickling and unpickling provide a convenient way to serialize and deserialize Python objects, enabling tasks such as data storage, inter-process communication, and data transmission over networks. However, it's important to use them judiciously and be aware of potential security risks. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.